Now in this chapter, we'll look at some additional advanced file services management features that are included in the File Server Resource Manager. Now, this is another role service in Windows Server 2012. Jeff, what exactly is FSRM?
Good question. FSRM is much more than just an additional administrative tool providing enhanced storage management capabilities that are very useful in organizations of all sizes. Now, we're going to look at the issues related to capacity management that the File Server Resource Manager was designed to address, along with installing and configuring FSRM initially. Okay. Then, we're going to take a look at the various components within FSRM, such as disk quotas, file screens, and the schedule and on-demand reporting capabilities. Now, collectively, these components can assist administrators in ensuring the efficiency of use when it comes to current storage, as well as effectively planning for future storage needs.
Okay.